Hey guys, Jordan Barden here from Define Property Agents. I'm at 1 Somerset Drive, Buderim. Heading up to the top level. Beautiful soaring ceilings with natural light, plenty of breezes up here. Large living and dining area. Very functional kitchen. But the main selling point of this property is the outstanding views. Look at that, all the way out, direct north facing to Mount Coolum, with views even of Old Woman Island. So beautiful ocean views. Large swimming pool and decking and entertaining area. Large outdoor deck for entertaining. Once again, soaring beautiful high ceilings. Massive ensuite with spa bath, beautiful leafy outlook. Oversized master bedroom. Large walk-in robe. As I said before, another beautiful room with a great leafy and private outlook. This is the highest property on the street. No one can see in at all. You can actually see the ocean from your bed, which is absolutely outstanding. We'll head downstairs to the middle level now. Another living area. Another kitchen. So this has great separation, guys. So it's a great teenager retreat. Parents can live upstairs, teenagers can live downstairs, or possibly rent the area out. Second bedroom, once again with beautiful ocean views. Very large bedroom, flows beautifully out onto the next deck area. Large deck area. Triple built-in robes. Large second bathroom, separate powder room, great for entertaining guests, that's why they're not in your room or going upstairs, and another large bedroom with double built-in robes, great natural light. Another bedroom as well, great leafy outlook, double built-in robes. As we head to the bottom level now, so 3-story property, nice big property, beautifully presented. Double remote controlled lock-up garage. As you can see, plenty of storage, plenty of room for 2 cars, plus a studio area, as well as an office at the back, which can also be used as a storage room. So that's downstairs done. Really unique thing about this property as well is the fact that you can walk out the garage door. Hey mate. To a unit. So this has got great rental income possibility. The current owners are Airbnb-ing this space. They've only just renovated it. Really cool little setup, all renovated, all brand new. So you've got your kitchen area, lounge room area, dining area, views of the pool, into the bedroom with a separate laundry and ensuite. Guys, this is an amazing opportunity to purchase in Buderim. This is a great family home or a great investment opportunity. It's got some of the best views in Buderim. It's very rare to find a property like this under 900,000. Our list price is 860,000, but the owners have instructed me to present all offers. They're very motivated to sell. Come check it out. This is an absolute cracker.